Welcome to a world of delicious and nutritious creations. In this video, we'll explore a variety of healthy food ideas that will tantalize your taste buds and nourish your body. Get ready to embark on a culinary journey filled with vibrant colors and fresh ingredients. These recipes are not just good for you, but also a feast for the eyes. From nutrient-packed smoothie bowls to wholesome salads and innovative plant-based dishes, we have something for every palate and every mealtime. Eating healthy doesn't mean sacrificing flavor. Discover how simple ingredients can be transformed into culinary masterpieces that are as delicious as they are nutritious. Join us as we elevate the art of food presentation, turning each dish into a work of art that you'll be proud to serve and savor. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting your culinary adventures, these healthy food ideas will inspire you to create magic in your kitchen. Indulge in guilt-free treats and guilt-free eats. It's time to redefine your relationship with food and embrace a lifestyle that celebrates both health and flavor. Each recipe is a testament to the joy of cooking and the power of nutritious ingredients. Let's make every meal a celebration of good food and good health. Prepare to be amazed by the endless possibilities of healthy eating. It's not just a meal, it's a step towards a happier, healthier you. Join the movement towards a more mindful and nourishing way of nourishing your body. Your taste buds and your well-being will thank you. Embrace the beauty of simplicity and the richness of wholesome ingredients. It's time to savor the goodness that nature has to offer. From breakfast delights to dinner surprises, let's make every bite count towards a healthier and happier you. Get ready to revolutionize your plate. In a world full of food choices, choose the ones that love you back. These recipes are crafted with care to fuel your body and delight your senses. Let's break free from the notion that healthy eating is boring. It's a flavorful adventure waiting to be explored, one delicious bite at a time. Say goodbye to bland and hello to bold flavors that dance on your palate. It's a symphony of taste and wellness in every dish. Join us in celebrating the art of eating well. These recipes are not just meals, they are a testament to the joy of nourishing your body and soul. As you explore these healthy food ideas, remember that each bite is a choice towards a healthier and happier lifestyle. Let's savor the goodness together. Thank you for joining us on this flavorful journey. May these recipes inspire you to create, nourish, and enjoy the abundance of good food and good health.